In this tutorial, we'll use Blender to remove the black background from an imported texture image without the need for external software. This will work for both Cycles and Eevee render engines. Use the X key to delete the default cube. Use Shift-A to add a plane. Rotate the plane around the X-axis by using RX90. Use the Z key to enter material preview mode. Split the viewport. Open the shader editor and make a new material. Drag and drop your image into the shader editor. Delete the principled shader. Add an emission shader and a transparent shader. Use a mix shader node to mix these two shaders. Connect your image texture to the color input of the emission shader. Connect the mix shader into the surface input of the material output. Add a color ramp node. Connect the color output of the color ramp to the factor of the mix shader. Connect the image texture to the color ramp. Swap the color stops. Move the black color stop to the left. Increase the strength of the emission shader. You have now learned how to remove a black background from an image completely within Blender. This workflow can save you time by not needing external software. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. If you found this helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good day.